Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Quiz Hub. Today we are going to test your knowledge of prepositions. There are 10 questions. Try to answer before 5 seconds. Let's begin. So today's topic is Prepositions Quiz. Test your English. 10 questions. Can you score 10 on 10? Episode 1. And today's first question is, she is afraid dash dogs. And the options are from, of, with, by. Let's try. And the correct answer is, she is afraid of dogs. Next question. He is good dash mathematics. And the options are in, at, on, for. Think. And the correct answer is at. He is good at mathematics. Question number 3. The book is dash the table. In, on, at, off. And the right answer is on. The book is on the table. Question number 4. I will meet you dash Monday. Options are in, on, at, for. And the right answer is on. I will meet you on Monday. Next, question number 5. She is fond dash music. In, at, of, with. And the correct answer is, she is fond of music. Next question. Question number 6. He has been working here dash 2020 at, since, on, by. And the correct answer is since. He has been working here since 2020. Next question, question number 7. The cat is hiding dash the chair, under, of, with, from. And the correct answer is under. The cat is hiding under the chair. Next, question number 8. We are going dash a trip next week. In, on, at, to. And the correct answer is, we are going on a trip next week. On. Question number 9. She arrived dash the airport early. Over, on, at, by. And the right answer is, she arrived at the airport. Question number 10. He is interested dash learning English. In, on, at, for. And the correct answer is, he is interested in learning English. In learning English. Next, here is a bonus question. She has been waiting dash 2 hours since, for, from, by. Take your time and comment your answer below. We will reveal the correct answer in the next video. So, don't forget to subscribe. How many answers did you get correct? Write your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Exam Quiz Hub for more quizzes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.